The Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop, with self-empty and self-refill system, is designed to bring a truly hands-free cleaning experience to modern homes. It combines powerful suction with intelligent mopping capabilities, aiming to handle everyday dust, pet hair, and spills without constant user intervention. The standout feature is its automated dock that not only empties the dustbin, but also refills the water tank, significantly reducing the need for manual maintenance and keeping the robot ready for the next cleaning cycle. Navigation is another strong point, with smart mapping that helps the robot learn your home layout and clean in efficient, organized paths instead of random movements. It can distinguish between different floor types, adjusting performance on carpets and hard floors for better results. The vacuum also handles edges and corners more effectively than basic models, making it suitable for homes with mixed flooring and furniture layouts. The mopping function adds an extra layer of cleanliness, helping remove light stains and sticky spots while the vacuum handles debris. With app control, users can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and monitor cleaning progress directly from their smartphone. Voice assistant compatibility adds convenience, allowing simple hands-free commands. For households with pets or children, the combination of strong suction and consistent mopping ensures a cleaner living space with less effort. The self-emptying system reduces the frequency of emptying dust bins, while the self-refill feature ensures the mop is always ready for use. This makes it especially appealing for busy users who want a low-maintenance cleaning solution. Overall, this Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop stands out as a premium smart cleaning solution that balances automation, power, and convenience. It is built to simplify daily cleaning routines and maintain a consistently fresh home environment with minimal human effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.